Monday Thoughts, folks, the beginning of a new week. And at the beginning of this new week, what we are looking at is the beginning of a new set of guidelines of Lockdown 4.0. What do we make out of where we are in terms of our lives? Simple truth is this, that we are still in the middle of a lockdown, but this Lockdown 4.0, which will now extend till the end of this month, is nothing in comparison to Lockdown 1.0 or 2.0 or certainly 3.0. No such mention this time that बहुत सख्ती होगी. तो अब की बार क्या-क्या आप कर सकते हैं? Let me explain to you. Firstly, what is it that you should not be venturing anywhere here? Don't go to a cinema hall. Don't go to a mall. Don't go to a bar. Don't go to a restaurant. If anything, you can only go in for home delivery. Only that is allowed. What will your travel plan look like? So if you were thinking that suddenly commercial flights will open, that's not happening. If you were thinking that you will perhaps think in terms of taking a train journey, that's not happening as well. Barring Shramik trains, no other train is allowed during this 4.0 lockdown all the way till the 31st of this month. What will your office space look like? Well, frankly speaking, if I was your HR manager, I would be telling you, boss, घर पे ही रहो. घर से काम करिए. जितना ज्यादा घर से काम करोगे, उतना खुद के लिए अच्छा है. अगर घर से आप नहीं काम कर सकते, तो in your office space, not just in the common spaces, but even say on your desktop, in your cubicle, you must ensure the existence of a hand sanitizer. You must ensure that the entire office place is being deep cleaned, deeply sanitized as often as you possibly could. Now, I don't know what would be the definition of that as often, therefore best is just stay at home, don't venture out, certainly till the end of this month. Interstate travel. Here I am in Uttarakhand, coming to you live on a daily basis to talk to Bhupen. Truth is that interstate travel between two states, if I think in terms of going to UP or if I think in terms of going to Delhi, possible only and only if there is consent between these two states. Now, how will that consent be worked out? I think you need to wait and watch out for that, because still now, states have not really given in their clear-cut guidelines. Wearing face masks, that's of extreme importance. Wherever you are in the country, irrespective of what zone you are in, green zone where all kinds of activities allowed, red zone where no activity is allowed, orange zone where some kind of activity is allowed, or contained zone, again, which is like being sealed. Irrespective of which zone you are in, you are not allowed to move out of your places unless you wear a mask. You are not allowed to spit. You'll be fined. You are not allowed to consume alcohol. Why then these kind of relaxations in Lockdown 4.0? Truth is this. All these images that we have seen around us of migrant workers struggling, being on the road, moving all the way from Surat to Bihar, from Ghaziabad to Saharsa, all these images have deeply troubled the government. It has led to a PR disaster of sorts. And that's the main reason why the government has concluded only way to solve this crisis is to start moving towards restarting of economic activity. Unless you kick off with economic activities again, these images will continue to haunt you. The criticism which is being mounted against the government's Atmanirbhar Bharat is also something which is beginning to weigh down the government. What did the Prime Minister say? 20% of India's GDP was going to be spent in this scheme. What is the reality? It now turns out that this expenditure from the government side could not be more than 1% of the total GDP. So where does this leave us? This leaves us with a simple conclusion. जेब में पैसा है तो ही ये लॉकडाउन चल पाएगा. जेब में पैसा नहीं है तो लॉकडाउन से भी ज्यादा बदतर हालत होगी. इसलिए लॉकडाउन 4.0 पीछे के लॉकडाउन के मुताबिक बहुत कम दिखता है, बहुत वीक दिखता है.